This is a video that shows you how to extend your T-rolls out to use the full range of motion of your upper arm. After you learn this technique, you can integrate them with V-cheese and T-rolls very easily. Start with the staff on your forearm, pinned with your fingers, push out and sweep to the opposite side of your body. As it gets to your forearm, your backhand comes up and down and pivots. So you know your both arms are horizontal. You push out, or pull together, do your T-roll, push out to this hand again, and then pivot up and out with that forearm. Now you're in the start position. So push out, sweep, over, do your T-roll, out, sweep. Now, as you get to this position here, we can also go underneath. Go, do your T-roll, push here, and your arm pivots underneath. This way, depending on what you're doing with your T-rolls, if the staff is wiggling backwards and forwards like this, you can go up, above, or below in order to get your hand out the way of the staff. So you're up, below,